Criminal defense attorney Mark Geragos and former federal prosecutor Neama Rahmani. Great to have you both. Neama, you call this case a long guilty plea. So far, it's incredibly strong for the prosecution.
That's absolutely right. And we have the trifecta of evidence here. We saw the video evidence that shows someone matching Ibarra's description. We have the digital evidence, the cell site evidence, Ibarra's phone going to the home of the other University of Georgia student, and then following to the location where Laken's phone was, and then traveling together, both phones, to Ibarra's apartment, wherein Laken's phone is discarded. And then, of course, we have the forensic evidence, the blood, the DNA, the fingerprint on Ibarra's cell phone. So really, there's really no defense here. I know the defense is going to say that, Jose's brother and roommate, they were logged into Ibarra's phone, but it's not going to carry the day. I expect to have a guilty verdict in this case as early as tomorrow.
Mark, what, if any, defense can lawyers for Jose Ibarra mount?
Well, they're mounting it right now, but one of the telltale signs here is when they waived jury, we call that a slow plea. I mean, my father, who was my partner for many years, a former prosecutor, used to say, if I ever think about waiving jury, hit me between the eyes with a baseball bat. There's no way when you waive a jury as a defense lawyer in a serious case like this that you expect a not guilty. What you expect is something, or that you're not going to put it in an emotionally charged case in front of a jury who's going to want to jump over the bar at your client. So
yeah.
They're going to do what they did today, call somebody for the timeline. They're going to poke holes wherever they can. It's an uphill battle.
Neama, there is evidence. You mentioned the cell phone evidence, which is pretty strong because it shows both Ibarra's cell phone and Laken Riley's cell phone together at the same time at the time of her murder. But there is some evidence that the other Ibarra brothers who were all living with Jose Ibarra also used that phone. Could the defense try to implicate one of the brothers instead?
They are, and obviously there's the evidence of Laken's smartwatch, which also showed her heart stop beating. But that's where the prosecution got ahead of this, and they showed the video, essentially, of Ibarra's brother's alibi, that he was working at the time on the University of Georgia campus, I believe, at the cafeteria. So he couldn't have been at the scene of the murder at the time. So prosecution did a good job anticipating that. Defense got out ahead of it. So I don't think the defense is going to have much of a shot in this case.
Thanks so much for watching. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.